Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of farm animals. Cow, bull, sheep, goose, horse, chicken, goat, pig, donkey, duck, rabbit, turkey, alpaca. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun insights into the animal kingdom. See you next time.